In this video, I will show you the project that is developed, the Android project that is developed in project pixel.in website. So the project output that I am going to show, as well as the project in Eclipse. So this is Eclipse. In the Eclipse 4.3, I have developed this particular Android application with the help of project pixel.in website. So this is the app that I have developed, Smart Tourism, which is going to store the tour places information, and it also allows to search, delete and update and view the tour places. And the table that is used in this particular project are two tables, that is user table, username and password for registration and login, and tours table, which allows to store the tour ID, state, city, tour place, address and description. So, and all these particular activities code is generated from project pixel.in website. So when we run this particular application, just by right clicking on the project and say run as an Android application, when we click on this particular thing, and this is the output that you will get in emulator. So this is what the output that we get in emulator, that is Smart Tourism, and allows for sign up as well as sign in. So when I click on sign up, it will shows a registration activity that allows to register an user. So I am going to say that Raju is the username and password is Raju, and here also the confirm password I am giving as Raju. I register. So once registration is success, we can go back to what login page. So I get back to the login, and now I'll click on sign in button. Here I'll log in with the help of this particular information like Raju, and I click on sign in button. Now when it is sign in, it shows the main menu where it is going to be perform all these operations: add, view, search, delete, edit, view, delete and the SQL view. So I click on the add link that is going to add one record into the table. So this is, I am going to give the ID like what 103, the ID I am giving, and the state is Telangana, and the city is WGL Warangal, and the tour place is like Kashibugga Warangal, and okay, the address is some kind of address I am giving, ABC street, like otherwise Kashibugga, right. Then I am going to give the description, old temple of Lord Shiva. So I click on this particular add record. This is add record. This is what record added successfully. Now I'll go back to this particular main menu, and I click on a view to see all the records that are present in the tours table. So it is going to show the records. See, this is the records. This is 1, 2 and 3, like this the records that we have added, and all the records it is showing. Now I'll get back, and I would like to search the records. So if I search the record based upon the this particular drop down, it shows all the tour names. So this is 1,000 pillars, 7 mountains and Kashibugga Warangal, like this it is showing, and I say what 7 mountains, and just click on search, and shows what Tirupati, 7 mountains, Tirupati, temple of Lord Narayana. So like this I get back, and I am going to delete the record. So I click on the delete link. So search that 101 or 103 I say here, please. I click on the search. So there are two IDs present here, that is what 103 and 103 IDs are present. Both records are going to be deleted when I say click on delete. So just I click on what delete, so that the two records will be deleted. Now two records are deleted. Once again you click on the search, so says that there is no record present exist for 103. Then get back. Similarly, I would like to go for editing the record. So, this is modification of record. So, it asks you to first of all give the ID for search. So, I search it. Now, it shows the details regarding the ID. This is the case. So, what are the changes that you do? For example, Telangana, I say what India. So, there is a comma, I say India, and that is it. Now, I click on what update, and we can see that the record is updated. And once again, I will go back here and I view the records. When I view the records, the modified information is going to show. So, you can see that Telangana, India. So, then I get back. Then I would like to see the records with the help of SQL query. So, in this particular activity, with the help of SQL statement, select star from means column names from tools table. That query, when it is given, now it is going to show all the records present in the table. So, this activity is generated based upon the SQL query. Then get back. Then view and delete. This is what do you mean by view and delete record? Here it is. When I click on it, it shows the record. So, if you want to delete this particular record, just long press on this particular record, so that it will ask you to whether you want to delete this record, yes or no. When I say no, the record will not be deleted. And if you want to delete the record, I just click on this particular long press it, and yes means the record will be deleted and no more records present in the table. So, this is what the operations. So, these are the basic operations that we can perform in any project, and these are the things that all these particular operations and this particular project is developed in projectpixel.in website. And in the coming videos, I will show you how to create all these particular activities, and how to develop this particular Android project with the help of projectpixel.in website. I am going to show you in coming videos.